Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete your YouTube account on a phone. All right, so let's begin. This is really useful to go and do if you no longer want the account. You're going to be deleting all the videos and all the data. So essentially, you're deleting the brand account and the channel. That's the same thing. So to go and get started, head to the bottom right, and you can tap the U button. Make sure you've got the correct one selected. You can tap on Switch Account in the top left if needed. Then you want to go to the top right and tap on the gear or cog icon like so, and that will go and open up the settings. In the settings, you want to go down and find the option Manage All History in the Account section, so you can go and tap there. You'll go and see your history here, but to go and continue, tap your profile icon in the top right, and once again, you can go and change the account here. Now I'll go and tap on Manage Account like so, and we can go just see the name at the top. Make sure it's the right one. All you need to do is come down this page and you'll see the option Delete Account. So what we can do is go and tap there. I'll need to enter my password again. Now we need to go and read through this and we can go see everything that's going to be deleted, which is the YouTube channel. So make sure you understand it. And if you do, you can make the acknowledgements at the bottom here. When you're ready, you can then tap Delete Account. And like so, we've now gone and deleted it. It's that simple. So that's basically how you can delete your YouTube account on a phone. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.